Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the free version of Proton VPN. I normally don't recommend free VPNs, but Proton VPN Free is a rare exception. Most free VPNs are best avoided because they often pose serious privacy risks. Many of them collect and sell your data, show intrusive ads, or have strict limitations on bandwidth and features. But Proton VPN Free is different. It's developed by a reputable Swiss company that truly respects your privacy and doesn't sell your data. On top of that, there are no ads, no time limits, and you get unlimited bandwidth even on the free version. So in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to download and install it on your device. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell if you enjoy this kind of content. It really helps and motivates me to make more helpful videos like this one. Alright, to download Proton VPN Free, just go to the page dedicated to the free version. I've put the direct link in the description below. Just click it to get there. Next, click Get Proton VPN Free. Enter your email address to create a free account. One of the great things about Proton VPN is that they don't ask for your name, address, or any personal info, just your email. Then copy your password and save it somewhere safe. Click on Continue with this password. Once your account is created, go to the Download section and click the Download button for your operating system. In my case, it's Windows, but as you can see, Proton VPN is also available on macOS, Android, iOS, Linux, Chromebook, and even Android TV. Click Download, then Download again. The download should start right away. Once done, open the installation file and follow the steps to install the software. After it's installed, just log in using your email and password. Here is the Proton VPN interface. The free version gives you access to 5 server locations: the US, Japan, the Netherlands, Poland, and Romania. To connect, it's super easy. Just click Connect, and the app will automatically connect you to the fastest server available, usually the one closest to your location. Unfortunately, with the free version, you can't manually choose a country. So for example, you can't specifically choose to connect to the US. Proton VPN will pick the location for you. Let me click Connect. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And there we go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the Netherlands. My real IP address has been replaced with the IP address of the VPN server in the Netherlands. If I visit this page, you'll clearly see my IP now shows my location as the Netherlands. You can also switch servers if you want. And to disconnect is just as simple. Click here and that's it. You're back to your real IP address. If you want to choose your country manually or access way more locations, like the UK, Canada, or Australia, for example, then you'll need to go with a premium VPN. You've got a couple of options. Option 1, upgrade to the paid version of Proton VPN, which gives you access to over 14,000 servers in 122 countries, including the UK, Canada, Australia. If you choose this option, make sure to use the link vpn-club.com/proton to get the best deal available. As you can see, you can get Proton VPN Plus at just $3.59 per month. That's 12 cents per day to protect your privacy, secure your connection, and bypass geo-blocks. That's nothing. Option 2, go with another premium VPN like NordVPN, which offers over 7,900 servers in 126 countries, or CyberGhost VPN with over 11,000 servers in 100 countries, including the UK, Canada, Australia. If you prefer one of these VPNs, make sure to use the links vpn-club.com/nord and vpn-club.com/cyber to take advantage of the best deals currently available, often with several free months included. And the good news is, all these VPNs come with a risk-free trial in the form of a money-back guarantee. 30 days for Proton VPN and NordVPN, and even 45 days for CyberGhost VPN. That means you can sign up, use the service for a few weeks, and if you're not happy, just ask for a refund. No questions asked. These VPNs will not only secure your connection, protect your privacy, and unblock geo-restricted content. They will also let you get an IP address in many countries like the UK, Canada, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, South Africa, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Mexico, Brazil. Proton VPN, NordVPN, and CyberGhost VPN are all available on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, iPadOS, Android TV, Apple TV, and you can even set them up on a game console, router, and many other devices. So, now you know how to download and install Proton VPN free. As you saw, it's super easy. That said, keep in mind that the best things in life are rarely completely free. If you want fast speeds, a secure VPN that works for streaming, torrenting, gaming, and offers 24/7 customer support, then you really should consider going premium. If you can, go with a paid version of Proton VPN, or choose another premium VPN like NordVPN or CyberGhost VPN. By using the links vpn-club.com/proton, vpn-club.com/nord, or vpn-club.com/cyber, you'll get access to the best deals available right now. And remember, they all offer risk-free trials with a money-back guarantee, 30 days or even 45 days for CyberGhost VPN. So feel free to try them out with complete peace of mind. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Now you know how to download and install Proton VPN free. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you liked this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks and see you in the next one.